So we have young bakers at the bakery. Okay, back to your question.
So ma, if somebody doesn't get the exact quantity for each, what can happen?
You will not get the whipped cream. It won't come out firm. It might be watery. That's why you need to measure out everything that you are doing when it comes to baking, so that you have an accurate product.
Can the whipped cream melt?
Yes, it can melt. That's why once it's being whipped out, you need to keep it in the fridge for it to retain its firmness. That we have done.
If you add too much coloring into the whipped cream, what can happen?
It might be bitter. So it's just a drop of it that you need. Just a little quantity to give you that color. But don't. So what quantity are you adding?
1/8.
Of which color? Which product? Alright, so what did we do today?
Whipped cream.
To the end of today's class, and it has been
Quite interesting.
It was fun. Okay. What was the first thing we did at the bakery before making the cake parfait?
We whipped our cream.
To have a do. So how much are we going to be selling this one now?
5,000.
Cool business. So how much are you selling yours?
4,000.
Well, it's quite fun.